We're almost there, down to numbers 2 and 3. One's white, one's red, both taste amazing and are an amazing value.
Number 3, King Maui Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. New Zealand have one of the best Sauvignon Blancs in the world. King Maui is very crispy, it's friendly, fantastic grip, and the price point is excellent. It's a wine that you always want to come back to because it's very, very delicious. It has wonderful notes. You can pair with anything coming from the sea. It's a wine that can be used in any occasion. Easy wine to drink. Buy it, buy the case.
You won't believe what we have at number 2, the Guy Musset Côte de Rhône Red. It is a classic example of wines of Côte de Rhône. Several years ago was my introduction to the region, and it's been a lot of fun exploring ever since. 80% Grenache and 20% Syrah. It has notes of earth and herb. It opens up into tart cherry, red berries. It pairs excellent with herb roasted chicken, roasted vegetables. Fantastic value. I would highly recommend you try this Côte de Rhône blend.